When you see that, my viewers, me have the rest of the video there for sure, you know. Police get lick off and bike in a crossroad. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you do not subscribe yet. So here we are going to them people. Thickman mouthpiece, bail get denied. Plus taxi man get catch a run robot and a pull off a craft. So before me jump into the reasoning and make you know what I go on, pre this.
Relax, just relax. You don't need to shit.
Yo, me tell you, say, yo, you are gonna pay for this. 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 What is your name? What is your name? Baker. Okay, alright.
Everything? Where important here?
See, man left me with my daughter, my cousin, and our friend. You understand? Okay. Alright, no problem. Man, take me out of my own vehicle, my family, up like that. My daughter, eh? Where your phone there? Where your phone in my car? No, I'm not get arrested. I'm doing. Hello, give me right here, right, you know, cause the contest is, you know. You understand? No, yo, I'm not do anything I want to do because I was not running taxi. I'm a data. No, listen, I'll talk to you because I'm talk to you.
When you see that, my viewers, so I could talk about that one, you know. My people, you see from Mercedes, I don't know what this already, you know. Police catch that brother here run robot taxi and see it there. He might try pull a craft. I say I'm data that. I say I'm family them there. So your family them just so quiet so. Or your data and your family them nah help you trace out squaddy them. Normally, you know, when man get pull over and them family them come out a car in the whole of who would have did this gang up and squaddy them, you know. So brother, this nah work, brother. The actor them nah help you. You know see that? You never pay them enough. So them just stand up on the sidewalk right there and watch your car get take away. See they know you have to go spend money. Squaddy them call the wrecker and I fling it up on that. So brother, you know if you do the right thing on road if you don't want to run taxi, get the red plate them brother. Let's you not always go spend. You not always go there courthouse. So see them people, who no think? Who no think a film family them that? Or no think I catch a run robot taxi for true and know him a pay the cost though. So no walk with me and no more viewers. When remember that girl here, Denie Warren, where did run out when Thickman drop out and I make threat against the state. Her bail was denied. I'll know them now go let her go. She go rub remand until now till September. And her family them a say, this is unfair. She make a mistake. The system for let her go now. My viewers, what you think? You feel like say Denie make a mistake? The system for let her go now. She learn her lesson. You feel so? See no for you out there. I bet you say Denie would run out of none of her family them and go on so. Cause she and Thickman and no family, you know. And you see how she did dep on the media go on. Like Thickman her man, or Thickman her brother. Jaja, you better live and learn. Cause know the system now let you go. Them a make a example out of you. Some people who no walk with me and now. See the video when I showing at the start of this review. A rapid response team. They dep on them motorcycle riding across road. And me no know if a blind. One of them did blind or what. A car just lick him off. Me I tell you no brawling. And you see if you no want to see that video there. That video there over on my Instagram page. So just look down in the description. And run go over to my Instagram to go take in the full video. So my viewers, until next time, you know. And before me dip, me not think the policeman dead. Him never drop out, me I tell you no more people. Them rush him to the hospital. You see me? So until next time, my people, protect on the 3 points a road. You don't know the code. A life over death. You see me?
Spanish Town. Hometown, yeah. Look up and I'm seeing green from left to all when it blood clot wire drop down. Look up and I'm seeing green for days. One daddy badness. We not put him out around and talk. One daddy badness. Pussy you not get it. All of the Babylon them. Be this to a threat. Make this be a threat.